Hi there, students. To bite the bullet. Okay, to bite the bullet is to face up to a difficult situation, to face up to something that's unpleasant, and to do it stoically, to a bit of stoicism, and avoid showing the unhappiness about it. Just take it. You have to grin and bear it. So once you accept something unpleasant as inevitable, you bite the bullet and do what's required of you. Okay, so a stressful event, it's where you force yourself to do something unpleasant, even though you don't really want to do it. So yeah, you just got to bite the bullet. You've just got to accept the situation as it is, be stoic about it, and do your best in that situation. The bank has foreclosed on our loan, and we're going to have to bite the bullet and find a way to pay back the money we owe to the bank. Yeah, many people don't like going to the dentist, but if your mouth hurts, if your teeth hurt, you've just got to bite the bullet and go to the dentist. So force yourself to do something unpleasant, something difficult, something brave in an unpleasant situation. And yeah, going to the dentist is not the greatest thing, but you've just got to bite the bullet. You've got to face up to it. Yeah, you've just got to be brave and do your best. Okay, I knew that going to university was going to be hard financially, but I just bit the bullet and did everything I could to make it easy. Yeah, so to have the courage to force yourself to do something, to work yourself up to the point where you actually do what is needed. Yeah, so to bite the bullet, to do something even though it's not what you want, to do it with resignation because it's difficult, but there is no point, so no other course of action. You face up to pain, face up to trouble, to do it stoically, to do it with fortitude. Yes, it's unpleasant, but you're just going to have to bite the bullet and confront this painful situation with fortitude, with the best fortitude that you can. Okay, so bite the bullet. Now the origin is is there are various ideas. This has first been appeared. The phrase first appeared, they say, in a book by Rudyard Kipling, The Light That Failed in 1891. But I've also read that there was a dictionary of the vulgar tongue from the late 18th century that says that when soldiers were whipped, very often they would bite on a bullet to avoid crying out in pain, because the idea normally of this is you're biting on a bullet for because a wounded soldier is being treated without anesthesia. There is an account by Harriet Tubman of having assisted in a Civil War amputation where the patient was given a bullet to bite on. Although I think it was much more common to be given a piece of leather to bite on. Notice in those days bullets were made of lead and they were quite soft, and it was a bullet was something that you could bite on. I imagine you would probably have bitten the whole way through it if it was painful enough. Okay, so to bite the bullet, to accept a negative attitude of a situation and proceed, to accept an undesirable thing, to accept something that's counterintuitive, to accept something that, well, you don't really like. You're just gonna suck it up, take it like a man, grit your teeth, and go on. So this is the idea of biting the bullet. Yeah, if the government increased taxation, we're just going to have to bite the bullet. Or the company's going to have to bite the bullet and lay off a lot of employees. Yeah, I don't want to go to the dentist, but I'm just going to have to bite the bullet. I really hated the job I was doing, so I decided to bite the bullet. I quit my job and started looking for another one. Okay, yes, we're just going to have to bite the bullet about this. There's nothing else that we can do. Okay, so accept something unpleasant without complaining, without moaning about it. If your competitors decrease their prices, you're going to have to bite the bullet and cut your prices as well. So, I think that's probably enough. Formality, yeah, formality, bite the bullet. I think 4.5 informality. Use informally, semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, something very formal, deal with the situation, probably something more formal than that. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To bite the bullet.